Hey guys, it's Chris Wong. I'm filming this video as of March 31st, 2025, and I'd like to talk about some major changes I made in my Wealthsimple TFSA. So as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just guys interested in building a portfolio. So last Friday and today, it seems like the stock market is down again, and it seemed to affect like crypto, and it seemed to affect MicroStrategy. So I actually decided to sell the Yieldmax MSTY in my Wealthsimple TFSA and get the Canadian Harvest MSTE, which is the leverage version of the Harvest MSTY. And I also decide to sell the LLHE.U and the Microsoft ETF from Harvest. And I decided to convert them all into Canadian and get HHIS. I have nothing against the Yieldmax MSTY. I did actually like the high dividend yield, but within the TFSA or within the non-registered account, there is a 15% withholding tax every time the dividend gets paid. And with Yieldmax, I find that it's very hard to predict what the distribution is going to be. Sometimes for Yieldmax MSTY, it was as high as like say $3 or $4, and it's been as low as I think around $1.50 or even less than that. And with the Harvest MSTY or Harvest MSTE, they're usually more consistent dividends, or if they need to increase or decrease the dividend, it's not a huge jump. So why did I decide to convert some of my USD holdings into Canadian currency holdings? When I originally converted my work income that I earn in Canada, I actually got most of the USD for $1.35 Canadian for $1 USD. And today, I actually converted $1 to get me $1.41 Canadian. So it is more expensive to get USD as a Canadian. I find for my regular expenses, it's starting to get more expensive, so I actually did feel better to have more Canadian dividend income and something a bit more consistent. So HHIS is something I feel comfortable to have as one of my biggest holdings, and because the share price was down today, I actually want to get more. And when I actually converted the proceeds of LLHE.U back into Canadian, I actually did a calculation of how much the difference would be if I still held LLHE.U and convert that to Canadian, or just sell LLHE.U today, convert to Canadian, and then buy HHIS and see how much the dividend I would get. And it seems like the dividend I would get in Canadian for HHIS would be more than just converting the dividend from LLHE.U. So I still have USD holdings in my Questrade account, in the TFSA, and my margin account. And as of right now, I'm just letting time go by, hopefully to let the dividends pay down a margin. And this morning, I did get a margin call, but I actually want to see if the market will go back up later today or even tomorrow to see if the margin call will clear up. Otherwise, I would just have to put some more money in or sell some shares at a loss. But if I sell some shares at a loss, at least the negative cash balance will clear up a bit, but it would just take longer for the dividends to clear the margin. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you guys for watching.